Alright, I am back, and it is your boy, Amber's Got Kicks. Now, you may be wondering why I haven't been posting lately. It's because, honestly, I've been dealing with a lot of hatred from people. It's not because I'm successful or popular or anything. You can be not successful and not popular and still have a lot of people discourage you and stuff. A lot of people were shitting on me, not literally, but they were like, you know, the metaphor, you get the saying, nobody believed me. So I had to believe myself. But money was tight. People were constantly, putting me down. So I was like, fuck this bullshit. Fuck this shit. I'm done with YouTube. I'm done with all this. I'm not posting anymore. And people have been asking me that I know that have subscribed to my channel in the past. Why haven't you been posting lately? I'm like, honestly, man, one, I don't have the money. Two, I don't have time for this bullshit. Three, people are constantly making fun of me and stuff, so what am I supposed to do? But, you know, there's nothing else left to say, but other than, put that bullshit aside, I got a new pair of sneakers. I've been hesitating on these for a while. Shout out to Livestock Canada. Much love, guys. I've ordered from you multiple times in the past. They always come through with their shipping and everything. It's actually located in Vancouver, BC. They have a store in Winnipeg also. But I don't have anything to open the box with. I'm just going to have to kind of go into it. Well, I opened it upside down, but kind of an idea. Now they gave me a note in here, a letter. It says, "Thank you for your recent order. Please note that the contents of your order are being shipped from multiple livestock locations. You should have received separate tracking and notification emails for the items fulfilled for each location. If you have any further questions or concerns, please feel free to contact us at shop@deadstock.ca or call us toll free at 1-855-360-5483. Livestock Canada, deadstock.ca. Much love, guys. And actually, I haven't owned a pair of this brand of shoes in a long time. A pair of Reebok Classics. Now, I went with my size in these. I actually lucked out. They only had 2 pairs left. I got my size, and then another person bought that size, and they sold out right away. This is a pair of Reebok Classic Aztreks. The colorway, it says, is white, black, cobalt, yellow. US, size 9.5 men's. Retail price was $130 Canadian, but I got them for only $54 Canadian. Ooh. Look at that. Now, I'm usually not a fan of yellow, but like, come on, man. I haven't had a pair of Reebok Classics in a long time. I just sold my Club C85s. But like, for the price that I got these for, apparently these things are ridiculously comfy, or like pretty comfortable, like super comfortable for a retro sneaker. And lately I've been having a lot of foot problems, like a lot of foot pain. I can't wear basketball sneakers at work for 8 hours to like anywhere between 7 to 9 hours every single day of the week. The basketball shoes aren't made for standing in for long periods of time. They're just made for playing, right, or casual wear. And I I think I may have rolled my ankle pretty bad like 2 years ago. It was in a pair of Air Force Ones, and I usually go for Air Force Ones because I love the structure on them, the support and everything. I've never had any foot problems in Air Force Ones ever. I had to switch to lifestyle running shoes or strictly running shoes because my feet have been honestly killing me at work. Some days I can't even put weight on my foot or both feet because I'm in so much pain. So I went for running or lifestyle running shoes. Back in the 90s and the 80s, these style sneakers were actually originally running shoes, but then they went off, you know, marathons and stuff to just casual wear. But first thing, let's get into it. I love the material that Reebok used on these. It's like a synthetic leather, and then there's a mesh underlays. Um, it's actually really soft to the touch. Then there's some suede on here too. Um, I, like I don't know. I can't get behind the color yellow. I just never have been a fan of yellow. But on these, they really pop. Like the yellow really, sets it off. They don't just make only this color. I've seen multiple different colors in this model sneaker. And if you guys are looking for a pair of Aztreks right now or any ventilators or anything, Reebok.ca actually has some under retail right now, anywhere between $90 and under. I paid 54 for these because no one was buying them. They were sitting for a while. I was kind of hesitating. Then I was like, doing it, fuck it, I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna pull the trigger on these. But the midsole's actually really plush. It's not hard rubber. It's actually a soft foam or like a soft rubber, so it'll break in easier. It won't be like a pair of Jordan 1s or any Jordan Retros or Air Force 1s or anything. And sitting underneath is Reebok's popular cushioning system from back in the day that they also had in the Kamikaze 1s and 2s and the Reebok pumps is a Hexalite. So the Hexalite cushioning is within this whole midsole. I don't know if it's full length or if it's just from the heel to midfoot, but from what I've been told by people is it's super comfortable. So I'm waiting to finally rock these soon. I know it kind of breaks my heart and it's disappointing that I have to switch to running shoes, but you know, when you're in a lot of pain, you have to kind of think outside the box. Like, I know there are super comfortable basketball sneakers out there, like LeBron's and stuff, but I've never owned a pair, I've never tried on a pair, and I've been having a lot of foot issues lately. New Balances, they're fresh foam. A lot of people have been buying those lately, and they've been telling me, yo, you have to try these, man. They're probably more comfortable than Boost, or equally as comfortable as Boost. They're super plush, super soft, they're not firm, because I had a pair of the Nebo. No, I had the not. I had a pair of the Nike Lunar Epic 2s, and those were more of a firmer ride. Like, I know when you finally broke them in, this softened up a bit, but I did a comparison video. If you haven't seen it, I did a comparison video between my Ultra Boost and those. I prefer the Ultra Boost because it was more of a softer ride and Boost was more squishy, but it was annoying when you would run in them or if you would wear them for periods of time. It'd make that squeaking sound, and I did not like that squeaking sound. But I am honestly really digging these. Like, you got the black and blue outsole, so it won't show wear and dirt as often. And you just got that little pop of the blue and the yellow, and then some black. It's not too not too loud. It's not too wild. It's not too in your face. Nothing really special about these. They don't come with another set of laces, but like, come on, man. Not, and I do see some Wave Runner Yeezy 700 toe box vibes. Like, if you look at the toe box on these, remind me kind of those. But thanks for watching, guys. Much love. I'll be back soon with another video. Take care. Subscribe, like, and comment down below. Until later, peace. Enjoy the rest of your day.